Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Coinbase recovery phrase. First, it's crucial to understand that your main Coinbase account does not have a recovery phrase in the traditional sense. This phrase is specifically for self-custody wallets, like the Coinbase Wallet app. If you're looking for a phrase to restore your primary Coinbase account, that's not how it works. Instead, you'll use your email and password for account access. For your Coinbase wallet, the recovery phrase is a 12-word seed phrase created when you first set up the wallet. This phrase is your master key, giving complete control over your digital assets. Coinbase does not store this phrase, so it's entirely your responsibility to write it down accurately and keep it safe. Without it, access to your wallet's funds is impossible if you lose your device or forget your password. Securing your recovery phrase is paramount. Never store it on your computer, phone, or in cloud storage, as these are vulnerable to hacks. The best practice is to write it down on paper, clearly and accurately, and store it in a secure, private location, like a safe or a locked drawer. Some users even create multiple physical copies, storing them in different secure places for redundancy. Treat it like cash or valuable jewelry. If you lose your Coinbase wallet recovery phrase, unfortunately, there is no way to recover it. Coinbase does not have access to these phrases and cannot help you regain access to your self-custody wallet or its funds. This highlights the critical importance of secure storage from day one. Always double-check your phrase when you first record it. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Stay vigilant with your crypto security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.